Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make mini pigs in a blanket. Pat sausages dry and poke holes with tines of a fork. Whisk dry ingredients, and stir in milk and butter. Roll out dough into a rectangle on floured work surface. Cut dough into small strips and roll up sausages. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can you make pigs in a blanket ahead of time? You sure can, and they can be both refrigerated or frozen. When refrigerating, it's best not to make them more than 2 hours before baking. For best results, assemble your pigs and place them on an ungreased cookie sheet, then cover them tightly with plastic wrap.
Take our lead.
Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Serve plain or with ketchup and mustard on the side. These are best served warm or at room temperature the day they are made, but leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do I reheat pigs in blankets? From chilled, place in a microwave-proof container with loosely fitting lid and heat for 4 to 7 minutes until piping hot. From frozen, allow to defrost, and heat covered in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes, then stir. Cook for a further 5 to 7 minutes until piping hot.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Historically it was a sausage or sausage meat in bread dough, replaced nowadays with puff pastry. In Brazil, the sausage is wrapped in bread like dough, then baked. It's known as enroladinho de salsicha, which means something like sausage roll, and it's both a fast food and a snack.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 7 fantastic dishes to serve with pigs in a blanket. Baked beans. Baked beans are my go-to dish when I know I'm serving a lot of guests, and I want to make them full and happy. Mac and cheese. You can never go wrong with mac and cheese. Deviled eggs. Pancakes and scrambled eggs. Corn pudding. Dips. Fruit salad.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do you keep pigs in a blanket warm for a party? You can either keep them in a low-heat oven around 225 degrees, and just pull out 1 plate full at a time, or you can keep them warm in a slow cooker. The slow cooker method may make them a bit soggy, but it's less hands-on than the oven method.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.